This is the unboxing of thermal imager CEM 980Y. This has got a Wi-Fi option and a temperature between 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. We're just unboxing this. It's a bag given, provided. Out comes the thermal camera. Have two pockets. In the one pocket we have battery, HDMI cable, USB cable, again one USB extension with the small port. We also got a SD card of 8 GB with an adapter. One side of the pocket we have charger, the same mobile pin, and different adapters for different countries. Also have a strap, a CD, and of course the user guide. The last is the calibration certificate. Thank you.